Hello everyone and welcome to Zenith's Creations again. So in this tutorial we are going to learn how to make this resin Rehal step by step. This Rehal is also available for sale. The contact details are available in the description box. So first see what all the materials we are required to make this resin Rehal. We need resin and hardener, BookStand mold, copper color pigment, pearls, and other essentials like disposable cups, mixing sticks, gloves, etc. So let's start making it. Side by side I am also keeping the bookmark mold and one earring mold also. I am just having this crystal clear epoxy resin, and I am applying the bubble remover over it so that all the bubbles get disposed of. And let's start by pouring the transparent mixture of resin and hardener over the bookmark stand. Then we will put the another liquid which we had made with the copper color pigment. Here we have used the copper color pigment. So now you just need to follow the instructions as I am doing in the video. Although the imagination and your creation is totally upon you, you can use your style of pouring the resin. You can use your own imagination of what you want to put into this resin or what you want to be preserved in this resin. You can use dry flowers or different type of stones, etc. But if you want the exact same design as I had shown in the starting, and I had also attached some clips of this resin Rehal in the end of the video, which you can see. And if you want the exact same design, then you can follow the exact same techniques as I am showing in this video. So then I am going to put some pearls into it, and obviously you can select your types of pearls. These are different sizes of pearls which I am keeping into the resin at the time when it is wet, and you can use your own material obviously. And this is what I am doing, and I hope you are liking the video. I hope you are liking our creations. So if you want to just support us, please subscribe our channel. We are doing hard work for many years continuously, so your support system is our biggest strength. Do support us with your motivational comments and share this video with your loved ones who love resin art, etc. So by this I am just stopping my audio. Hope you are going to enjoy this, and at the last of the video you can see how this resin Rehal is going to look after it is dried and it's ready.